Hello students, welcome back. Last time we discussed geographical factor that affect the population distribution in the world. Now we will discuss economical factor, socio-cultural factor and political factor. Let's start. Number 1, economical factor. This factor also a very important factor. It's include three subpoints. Number 1, minerals. Minerals found naturally on the earth. There are very less places in the world it's found abundantly, but many places it's found very less or not. There are many industry that based on minerals in the world, like cement industry, iron industry, mica industry, refineries. So these big industries need more minerals. These minerals excavated or mining by human resource. Human migrate to this area for employment, so population in this area increase gradually, like 2K Great Lakes area in USA and Ruhr Minerals area in Germany and Chota Nagpur in India. Second point, urbanization. Meaning of urbanization is the increase in the proportion of people living in town and city. For better facilities, more people rural area migrate to urban area in search of availability of more choice. Due to this concept of people migrate to city, this affect to the population size and density to this area. So this factor also affect to the distribution of population of this area. Third point is industrialization. This factor also affect to the population distribution and area because of employment. Any big industry need more human resource for making goods and for also administration. There are always remain demand all over the world. The engineer, scientist for R&D, manager and CEO for administration. Due to this, any industrial area have overpopulated. So this factor affect to the distribution of population. Next point is social and cultural factor. Organization of communities in new area encourage the movement of people. Setting in newer lands, man is a social animal and it become essential for him to form a community, creating a familiar environment where he stays. People moving out of their native place tend to settle in those areas or part of the area where there are people with their language, culture, food, habits for social society and harmony. So they migrate in those area. It is common to find city having a residential area which are communal in nature. Fourth point is political factor. This point not shown in this, not shown in this sheet. Political factor. You must have noticed conflict between two countries, terrorism, unfavorable policy of any country, type of government, stable or not. All these causes affect their population distribution. People want to leave their country, like Syria, Indo and Pakistan border. These factors also affect to the distribution of population and area. Thank you very much. Next time we will meet with population growth. Population growth. Thank you.